rainy drizzly today, and we're cleaning up some brush. So Kraig's gonna start this burn pile. We already had one going.
Can far away.
Hoi! You wanna do the other one?
Keep an eye on one.
Okay.
Alright, so we took out a couple of big burn piles. And there's one of them right here. I think we got some footage of it burning.
Yep. I love doing burn piles.
There's one. That was a big pile.
It's just as fun as taking a big load of garbage to the dump, getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I love it.
What? And this one's still burning a little bit, so it's kind of rainy, but I wanted to make sure, so we're gonna throw some water on it.
Yeah.
Gets me paranoid. It's supposed to be 80% chance of rain a little later, so pretty sure we'll be just fine. It was raining real good earlier today. I tried to get some footage of the leaves blowing off the aspen trees. The only thing I managed to succeed in is getting water all over the camera and the lens and getting wet. Good times.
It was blowing really hard though for
Yeah.
like half an hour. Okay.
Yeah, this was a very, very large. Ooh, get a little warm off it before we put it out. This was a very, very large. There was actually two piles. Both of them were pretty big, and I couldn't get the one that was over there to light to save my life. I don't know why it wouldn't light. It was a little wet, but so was this one. I got this one going, and since I couldn't get that one, I just started throwing everything onto this.
At least they're close together.
Yeah. So, there we go. Got a lot of stuff cleared up. I still need to take that log over there.
And we've still got brush to clean up over here and in this area, but slowly but surely. This isn't anything that we have to do.
No, it was just
It's
something
just-
that was a good thing to do on a rainy day.
Yeah.
A couple of chores you can't take care of when it's dry.
Yep.
So.
And I know we keep saying it, but the weather says it's supposed to snow.
Yeah.
So
Supposed to have like 9 days straight of snow.
we're trying to take care of things on our
I'll believe it when I see it.
on our good weather days, which we've had a lot of good weather days because thinking that it was gonna snow.
Yeah, that keeps getting stuck.
Nicely done, darling.
Thank you, love. Alrighty. There we go. Let's go reheat some delicious sweet and spicy pork and mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
I am ready for that. Whew.
I think I'm gonna make some tea. That sounds good to me.
Anyway, it was a pretty good day today. But you know what? I think it'll be even better tomorrow. Because we're going hunting. In the blind.
Oh yeah.
Well, it seems like we might be getting the new cabin built a little quicker than we thought. So,
We're still trying to figure out if we can do it.
yeah.
But the whole reason for putting in that counter was
We thought we were going to live there for like another 5 years.
yeah, I thought we were going to be there for a while. So I really wanted that new counter. But if we're building next spring,
Which isn't 100%
right,
going to happen.
we're talking about it.
We're looking into things.
Yep, we got to make sure everything works out.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna be coming back here with the baby, and possibly starting on a big old project of, tearing down this cabin and transitioning to living into that cabin while this one is being built. And
Just go ahead and set it over here.
okay. Anyways, so there's a lot to go over and think about and pray about.
Yeah.
So,
But if not this coming year, definitely the next.
yeah.
We will be taking down this beautiful piece of craftsmanship from 1953, or at least part of it from 1953. That other half was built on, I'm not sure when.
Yeah.
We can also repurpose a lot of this stuff,
Mm-hmm.
so that's a really cool thing. The only issue I really have is storage of the lumber. I don't really know where we'll do with it.
Right.
Also storage of the entire contents of the cabin itself, because if we try to put everything in the guest cabin,
There's gonna be no room.
there will be no room.
We'll have to get a storage container of something,
Yeah,
of some sort.
we'll figure something out. Maybe even if we have to, we'll bring a U-Haul up here and rent a storage space in town, which I really don't want to do, but we'll do if we have to.
Yeah.
'Cause
We'll figure it out.
It is expensive to get a storage container up here.
Yeah, everything's booked up.
Yeah. But hey, we'll get it figured out.
Yeah. What about the chickens?
We're probably gonna eat 3 of them for Christmas.
Which one? Which one?
And I think we might, if Chelsea is still willing to, take at least one of them to her house.
Can you guys guess which one he wants to take and save and not eat?
Don't be jealous of what me and Deb have. Deb loves me.
Yep. She does.
Looks like those other ones have been pecking the tail
Yeah,
feathers off of them.
short tails. They look even more like dinosaurs now.
I gave them a bunch of the dried mealworms earlier.
Yeah?
I killed the rest of that bag that was on top of the chicken feed.
Okay. They enjoyed it?
Yeah. Well, chickens seem to be doing alright. It hasn't gotten that cold though. But I think we pretty well insulated it. And their chicken poop that is now not going through the chicken wire is insulating it even more as we speak.
Yeah.
So, you know, they just need to be on the rungs, and there's not much poop on those.
Nope.
So they'll be alright. Oh, Andy and Lydia brought horses over. I don't know if we
that's
can
right.
see them. I doubt we'll be able to see them. Usually it takes a couple of days, and then all of a sudden they hear us and they come over here and like, hey, what are you guys doing?
So these are the horses that were over at
Bev's, yeah.
Bev's house, that they'd walk past to go to the blind. And now they're eating down our grass, which is going to be so nice.
Well, we figure, you know, why waste all the feed? You know, we don't got anything eating it.
Oh,
More than happy to let them bring them over here, and
totally.
holy cow, it's perfect.
Helps us out too.
Yeah, clears out some of that stuff. And it doesn't take long neither. Those things, they eat quick,
Oh yeah.
like goats.
They'll chop this down real fast. All of that grass in there. That'll be nice.
Yeah. And it also, you know, fertilizes everything for springtime too.
Yeah.
Makes everything growing real good. I sure hope these apple trees make it through the winter. I might be doing a saran wrap on them.
I think they will.
So if we just saran wrap this thing and then around the triangle,
Mm-hmm.
I think we'll be alright. Yeah.
Well, the wild ones that we've been picking apples from.
Oh, and if these three grow together, they'll be able to pollinate themselves.
Grow together.
Yeah. It's 3 different apple trees. They're not self-pollinating. You need the pollen from another apple tree.
Right, but we have to separate them.
Why?
You can't grow 3 apple trees in one little spot. They'll kill each other.
No, it won't.
They'll choke each other out, and their roots won't be able to reach out too much.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll separate them next year.
Yeah.
Springtime, when everything's nice and soft.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey, there he is.
Hello, buddy. Did you hear us talking to you? Is this Blue or Buddy? I don't know their names yet. Hey, buddy.
I don't know, Lydia just calls him the Gray. Hey, pal. Bet if I had an orange hat on, you'd recognize me.
Well, he recognized our voices.
Nope,
Okay,
not
bye.
having it. Not having it. Look, I didn't want to see you. I just wanted to come over here for a second. Just check things out. Now I'm done. Peace.
I just want to taste this grass compared to the grass I've been eating. Yep, the grass I've been eating is better. This one looks really full. I think that grate that we've got is blocked up. There's a lot of fish in there. We've got, how many fish have we seen
Honestly, there's probably a dozen.
new coming down? There's a big guy. I don't know if you can see that. But there's been new ones coming out of the pipe, and then they're all been sitting right here trying to jump back up from where they came. So I think we're gonna, before it totally freezes,
Bring them all down.
we're gonna, yeah, bring them down to the big pond so they are more likely to survive. And they can make new friends, because there's lots more fish down there that did survive last year.
All in here. Yep, everybody's home.